Guys, I've lost my voice, so I can't say much. This is a short video of some of the services I've been creating over on Robert's Media. Sorry guys, please check it out, and thanks for watching.
Hello and welcome. We create and install highly engaging 3D avatars like me and human presenters onto websites and Facebook page cover videos. Website presenters are proven to increase engagement and convert prospects and leads into sales. Here is a preview of some of our presenters in action.
If you're looking for a reliable, professional and affordable plumber, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local plumbing service, and we're committed to creating satisfied customers and handling. Hey there, my name is Kiki Dad. I would like to welcome you to our website and we look forward to working with you. Please get in touch if you would like a video creating for your business, or if you would like a free call on how we can help you and your business. Thank you. We can send out your message to your visitors, chat to them, and guide them to wherever you would like them to go. This works really well if you have an offer, or if you just want them to sign up to your email list. We can do so much to help you.
Our aim is to grab visitors' attention and guide them to your call to action. We are known to help skyrocket conversions, so place your order today and we will take care of the rest.